Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. As you can see, we are doing burger today. It's fish burger. It is so delicious. I tell you guys, it is so nice and very easy to do. So if you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. Just come along with me and let's do this delicious recipe. You are going to love it. Just look at that. It's so amazing and lovely. It's delicious. So come along with me and let's do it. Look at how the fish is flaky and just look at the nice tangy onions. You are going to love this. Come along with me and let's do this. So guys, to start, I want to do my spicy garlic mayo. Okay, I add some crushed garlic. Use fresh garlic because it tastes amazing, and I mix it nicely and add some lemon juice, okay, to give it that lovely taste. And also I like spicy, guys, so I add some sriracha. All right, it goes with the fish, so just add a little bit of sriracha if you can't really take the heat. But guys, this tastes amazing. It's lovely sauce for your fish burger. So put that aside. So next is to make my pickled onions, or we call it macerated onions, right? So I have my lemon juice and I add some salt to it, and then I put my onions in. It's as easy as that, and it tastes amazing. Just leave it for about 10 or more minutes, and then you can use that for your burger. I tell you, try it. This is really delicious. It's really nice for any burger at all. I tell you, it's delicious. It's like pickled onions, and it's sweet and it's tangy and it's really nice for your burger. Try it and you love it. So guys, I am using cod for my burgers, right? So I have some fillets here. It's really nice. You can use any fish of your choice, but I love using cod. So I'm going to spice them. These are my spices, and I'm going to put them down in the description box. All right, so I'm going to just mix it nicely and then just sprinkle it on the fish. I tell you, it will make it taste lovely. Don't forget your spice when you're doing this, because the spice gives it a really lovely taste. Okay, spice that nicely. So just come along with me as we spice this fish and then coat it with our breadcrumbs. So guys, to coat our fish, I add the rest of the spice to the flour that I'm using. Okay, I love spice, guys, so do that. You will taste amazing. So I mix it nicely, and the first thing is to just put it in the flour, and then you put it in the egg mixture, and then you put it in the breadcrumbs. That's all that you do. So it's so easy, and it makes it so crispy and lovely. So try this and you're going to love this. So guys, I have my buns here. I'm going to lightly butter it and toast it so that it gives it that lovely taste. Okay, you can omit this, it's not really compulsory, but if you do that, you're going to love it. So guys, this is my toasted bun. It smells so good, and I'm going to add my other ingredients. So I'm going to add the pickled onions. My goodness, it tastes amazing. You have to try this, and you can use it for any burger of your choice. It tastes amazing. Okay, and I'm going to add my crispy cod. Okay, it's so good. Try this. You see, as you can see, it's very easy. This is my spicy garlic mayo, and also tastes so delicious. So that's it. You can add lettuce, you can add cheese, whatever you want to add to it, you can add, but this is how I prefer it. It's amazing. I tell you, I really enjoy this. It's so good and it tastes amazing, guys. So if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Thank you for sharing as well. Bye.